In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Bill.com. We'll cover what Bill.com is, its features, pricing plans, and how it stacks up against other similar tools. If at any time during this video you want to get started with Bill.com, there will be a link down in the description to do so. Now, this is an affiliate link, so if you do end up using this link, we will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you end up using that link, we thank you so much in advance. So what is Bill.com? Bill.com is a cloud-based financial operations platform designed primarily for small and mid-sized businesses. Its main aim is to automate and streamline accounting processes, making managing payables and receivables a breeze. With Bill.com, you can send and receive invoices, manage approvals, and handle international payments across various currencies. The software integrates seamlessly with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Oracle NetSuite, ensuring that all your financial data is centralized and accessible. This makes it easier for businesses to stay on top of their financial operations without getting bogged down by manual processes. Features: accounts payable and receivable automation. Bill.com automates both accounts payable and accounts receivable functions. So this means that you can quickly process bills and invoices, schedule payments, and receive funds from customers without that manual interaction. The automation helps reduce errors and saves time as well, allowing your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Multiple payment methods. So Bill.com supports various payment methods, including ACH, credit card, PayPal, and international wire transfers. This flexibility ensures that you can handle payments efficiently regardless of your vendors or customers' preferences. You can even make payments via Bill.com's Vendor Direct virtual card, which adds another layer of convenience. Approval workflows. You can set up custom approval workflows to match your business's unique processes. This feature ensures that all bills and invoices are reviewed and approved by the right people before any money changes hands. Secure cloud storage. Bill.com stores all your financial data securely in the cloud, making it accessible to your team anytime, anywhere. The platform uses industry standard security measures to protect your data, including transport layer security for data in transit. This ensures that your sensitive financial information is always safe from unauthorized access. Integration with accounting softwares. One of Bill.com's strongest features is its seamless integration with popular accounting softwares like QuickBooks, Xero, Sage Intacct, and Oracle NetSuite. This integration helps you keep your financial data synchronized and up to date across all your systems. Mobile app. Bill.com offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your finances on the go or from anywhere. This makes it easy to stay on top of your financial operations, even when you're away from your desk or office. Document management. Bill.com allows you to store and manage all your financial documents in one place. You can upload invoices, receipts, and other important financial documents and link them to specific transactions. This makes it easier to track your financial records and ensure that everything is organized and accessible when you need it. Automatic data entry and duplicate detection. The platform features automatic data entry and duplicate invoice detection, which helps reduce human error and save time. These smart features ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date, helping you avoid those costly mistakes. Pricing plans. Bill.com offers 4 pricing tiers, catering to different business needs. They have the essentials at $45 per user per month. You can spend 50% less time on accounts payable, automate invoicing, and get paid 2 times faster. This plan's ideal for small businesses needing fundamental accounts payable and receivable features. Then there's the team plan at $55 per user per month, and this provides more granular controls, custom approval policies, and automatic two-way sync with leading accounting softwares like QuickBooks and Xero. This is more suitable for growing businesses that need those advanced features. Then we have the corporate plan at $79 per user per month, which is the most popular plan. This offers additional customization as well as the ability to manage both accounts payable and accounts receivable all in one place. And lastly, we have the enterprise plan, which is custom priced. Now, this is tailored for larger businesses with complex needs, including multi-location accounting, API access, and integration with enterprise level softwares like Oracle NetSuite and Sage Intacct. All plans include live chat and phone support, so you can get assistance when you need it. A free trial is available, which allows you to explore the features and determine if Bill.com is the right thing for you and your business. And if you want to use the link down in the description, you can receive a $200 reward when you sign up for a demo and either subscribe to Bill.com's accounts payable and or accounts receivable services, or get approved for a line of credit. It only takes 20 minutes to discover how Bill.com can revolutionize your business. So if you go ahead and click that link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page right here. And all you need to do to get started to take advantage of this $200 referral is put in your first name, your last name, work email, phone, company name, the number of employees that you have, select whether you're a small or mid-sized business, business or an accounting firm, and then select which products you're interested in using, either the accounts payable and receivable or the spend and expense. And that's how easy it is to get started with Bill.com. Again, there will be a link down in the description. Pros and cons. Pros. Scalability. Bill.com is great for growing businesses as it efficiently manages the increased demands that small to mid-sized companies experience. It streamlines payments and simplifies accounts receivable processes, making it easier for both businesses and their customers. Ease of use. The platform is designed with a very user-friendly interface that is both clean and intuitive. It's easy to implement and can be seamlessly integrated into your daily operations, providing a very smooth experience for its users. Centralized payment management. Bill.com's centralized vendor payment process and document storage are standout features of Bill.com. They enhance efficiency, allowing businesses to process bills and make payments to vendors more effectively. Cons. Customer service. Bill.com's customer support has some room for improvement. There have been reports of long response times and unhelpful interactions, which can be frustrating when timely support is needed. Integration challenges. Integrating Bill.com with existing ERP systems and accounting software can be challenging sometimes. It's been noted that you may experience some sync errors that disrupt historical client data, particularly when integrating with softwares like QuickBooks. International payments. For businesses dealing with foreign vendors, Bill.com may present some challenges. International payments can be delayed sometimes, and the associated currency exchange rates and fees are often considerably higher. Competitors. Bill.com stands out in the market, but it's not without competition. Here are a few alternatives that you might consider. FreshBooks. FreshBooks is known for its excellent invoicing and expense management features. FreshBooks is also ideal for freelancers and small businesses. They offer a user-friendly interface with lots of features, making it a popular choice among small business owners. QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is another accounting solution that offers comprehensive financial management tools, including invoices, expenses, and payroll. QuickBooks Online is highly rated for its extensive feature set and its seamless integration with other business tools. Xero. This platform offers powerful accounting features and integrates well with numerous third-party apps. Xero is known for its user-friendly interface and its strong customer support. Zoho Books. Zoho Books provides a set of accounting tools and integrates with Zoho products, making it an excellent choice for businesses who are already using the Zoho ecosystem. Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is a powerful cloud-based financial management solution designed for growing businesses. It offers advanced features and robust integration capabilities, making it a great choice for mid-sized companies. Each of these alternatives has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential for you to consider your specific business needs when choosing one of these financial management tools. So, is Bill.com the right choice for your business? If you're looking for a platform that offers advanced automation for payables and receivables, has a user-friendly interface, and strong integration capabilities, then Bill.com is definitely worth considering. However, if you're in need of constant, top-notch customer support and those seamless international payments, which are critical to your business, then you might want to explore some other options. The negative reviews regarding customer service and integration challenges are worth noting, especially if your business relies heavily on these aspects. Overall, Bill.com is a powerful tool for those small to mid-sized businesses looking to streamline their financial operations. Its abilities to integrate with popular accounting software and support various payment methods make it a versatile and valuable addition to your financial toolkit. But that's all for today's in-depth review of Bill.com. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Now, if you have any questions or personal experiences with Bill.com, drop them down below in the comments. And if you want to get started with Bill.com, be sure to check out the link down in the description to do so. It is an affiliate link, so if you do end up using this link, we will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And you can even get a $200 credit. So if you end up using that link, we thank you so much in advance. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our latest videos. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos helping new and existing entrepreneurs succeed in business. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.